Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. As Samsung has given us a bit surprise on it, Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6 have been the center of attention for the last couple of weeks. It's perhaps time to turn our heads to the upcoming Galaxy S25 lineup, as rumors will likely intensify in the coming months. One of the top tipsters of everything Samsung related suggests that the Ultra will get a design overhaul. In fact, that Samsung has already finalized the design of all three members of the Galaxy S25 family. The S25 Ultra is said to have an asymmetrical frame design to help with the grip. The frame toward the back panel is more rounded to help with the grip, while the front will be straighter. This will also make the bezels look thinner, although we aren't exactly sure how that would be achieved. The handset's width will be retained, and the side frame will be narrower in general. This may be a good design choice. We believe the main issue, when it comes to ergonomics, is the sharp corners of the S24 Ultra. They make the device feel much bigger than it is, at least compared to other 6.8-inch smartphones. The latest details come from Bureau of Indian Standards. While it is some 6 months away from a presumed launch, the government department has certified 2 batteries destined for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Beyond the 2 part numbers, EBBS 938AB and EBBS 938ABY, the certification is short on any other details. Samsung has used multiple suppliers in previous years, so it's likely that, just as it did with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, these 2 model numbers represent 2 different suppliers. Since the first Galaxy Ultra was launched in 2020, each model has sported a 5000 mAh battery. However, updating the actual technology in the battery's hardware and the software regulating the power used by the smartphone has allowed the endurance of each model to meet the expected benchmarks. Samsung is expected to continue using a 5000 mAh battery in next year's Ultra handset, no doubt continuing to refine its One UI software to offer better battery life, with competing handsets offering more capacity, such as the OnePlus 12's 5450 mAh or the ROG Phone 8's 5400 mAh. There will be many asking if it's time to increase the battery capacity of the top-tier Galaxy Ultra in its 6th year. How is it, guys? Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.